Hey everyone, welcome. This is Lisa Allen, and in this video I just wanted to give you a short review of a new plugin that came out on the WordPress.org directory today, and it is called Cyclone Slider 2. Now obviously there was a Cyclone Slider 1, but this one is a newer version, and so I'm just going to show you some of the cool things you can do with this. So after you've installed the plugin, you'll end up with this little Cyclone Slider menu on this side. And to add a slideshow, what you'll do is just click on Add Slideshow. And what you're looking at really is very similar to a post page, and it uses custom posts to make slideshows, which that you can then include anywhere you like using shortcodes. So let's just walk through making a small slideshow just for kicks, and so you can see how it works. Now the screen we're looking at here, you can add slides, and you've also got slider templates to choose from, so you've got different colors and a thumbnail template that you can choose. And over on this side you have settings for the slider, so you can choose the default transition to use from slide to slide. You can choose how long to delay on the slides and how long the transition should last, and of course you can choose the width and height of your slideshow so that it will be sized correctly for where you put it. So for this one I'm just going to size it 650 by 365, and I'm going to leave the default settings for the transitions and the slide delays in place. So next what I need to do is just click on Add Slide, and you can see here that there are things that you can fill in about the slide. You can link each slide somewhere else. You can choose whether to open that slide link in the same window or in a new tab. You've also got the slide title that you can fill in and a description for the slide. And of course, under slide properties, individual slides can actually have their own transition effect that overrides the default transition. So if you don't set one, it'll just go to default. But if you want to change it between specific slides, you can do that. So let's just go ahead and add one. You just want to click on the Get Image button, and then you get your familiar media upload and selection screen, and you can choose it from the media library, grab it from a URL, or you can upload it from the computer. So let's grab one from the computer. Just click on Select Files, and I have three really nice pictures of the beach here that I'm going to use as demonstrations. So let's just click on slide 1 and open that, and of course it'll upload it, and here is my image. Here I can just do Add to Slide. So I have my choice of sizes. Now because I chose to make my slideshow 650 wide by about 365 tall, I could either choose the medium one, which is defaults to, or I could go a little bit larger and just click on Add to Slide. And then of course I'd want to fill in some of the details here if I wanted them to show up in the slideshow. So I've just filled in a link, a title, and a description. And then of course I'm going to also just change the slide effect to scroll horizontally, and I'll leave it there. And then you just click on Publish, and now we have our demo slideshow with one slide in it. Now of course one slide isn't very many, so let's add another couple really quickly, and I'll just pause the video while I do that. And once we're done adding slides to our slideshow, just click Update, and you can see up here now we have this little message that says the shortcode is, and then Cyclone Slider ID equals demo slideshow. So if you want to put that in a post, you just copy that, and then we'll want to add a new post just so I can demonstrate what the slideshow looks like when you use the shortcode. So let's just paste the shortcode in there, click on Publish, and then let's go ahead and view the post. And once we get to the page, you can see that we have this lovely slideshow playing, and the images fade in and out on an interval. You've got some little buttons here so you can scroll between them. Also, the title shows up here, and then if you put in a description, you've got a description, and you can see that there's a slight transparent overlay that highlights the description of the text. So you can see this is a really nice addition to your website if you want to add slides and slideshows in particular pages and posts, or somewhere else in your theme. There's also a way to add the shortcode for your slideshows actually inside your theme if you want to do a little bit of coding. But if you don't, there is always the shortcodes. So that's it for this video, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing this little demonstration of Cyclone Slideshow 2. So go ahead and install this on your blog. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Thanks for listening. This has been Lisa Allen, and I'll talk to you again soon.